Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I'll show you how to use your Apple ID in the iTunes store to access music, movies, albums or any TV shows of your choice. It's super easy and super fun to do, so make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it, and I'll guide you step by step, so make sure you don't skip a single step. Now let's get started with the video. First, go to settings on your iPhone or iPad or any iOS device that you own and simply go to your Apple ID on the top, then select media and purchase right here as you can see here. Simply click on it and go to view account, and you will be asked to verify yourself with Apple ID or Face ID, Touch ID or your password. Once you verify yourself, you will come into this page. Then here tap sign in and enter your Apple ID and password. If you are already signed in here, you can confirm by opening the iTunes Store app and checking your account information. As you can see, simply go to iTunes Store and simply scroll down, and as you can see here, there will be a section called Apple ID. As you can see here, there will be a section called Apple ID, and your ID will appear right at the bottom of your page. Once signed in, you can browse, purchase and download music, movies or TV shows as you wish. Your Apple ID links all your purchase to your account across all the devices that you own. And that's it guys, using your Apple ID in iTunes Store is simple. Like, share and subscribe for more Apple tips, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.